Okay, so you're right here, and if you are at the data, because that's the last thing that you actually are doing the sort. So you come to the design, and from the design you'll be able to see the header row, the total row, banded rows, all the way down like that. So you want to click the total, and by default it's going to put the total down here for you. You see that? So you want the total for the addition size. So you click the mouse button here, and then you have the drop down menu here, and you're looking for the highest. I think they say the largest, so the largest is going to be maximum. You see that, and then for the price they say the most expensive, so that's instruction E, most expensive, so that will also be maximum. Okay, so if they ask for another value, like maybe if they want something like minimum, you click here. If they want the lowest, is that. If they want standard deviation, average count, blah blah blah, things like that. So you don't need this. And then the next instruction says that's D, add a descriptive label in cell C205, reflect the content on the total row. Okay, so add some information here that says what these values are right here. So you delete this value here, and then right here you add to describe what these values represent. Okay, from that we got to create a custom conditional format for the issue price column with these specifications. So that is F. So conditional formatting. So you're working with this on the issue price. So this is the issue price column here. If you want, you can actually highlight that, just that, because sometimes you might have other data at the bottom there, and if you select the whole item, the whole column, it might bring conflict. So just click on that particular column and go all the way down and highlight like that. Okay, so we're doing that, and you are going to be doing conditional formatting. So conditional formatting, you go to the home ribbon, and then under the tools, you see the conditional formatting. You want to click on the arrow pointing down, and we're using the icons. Okay, so create a custom condition format for the issue column with specification for traffic lights icon set. So the icon is the icon set, and we are using custom conditional format. Okay, so click on the more rules here, and you come here and you want to do the for icon style. You want to do the for, so scroll down and you see the for. So is it this or this? You got to be careful. It says for traffic lights icon black, red, yellow, and green. So I think it's this, not this one here. So click on that, and you have the four of them here. What are the conditions? So from the instructions in your book, it says red icon when the number is greater than 1,000. So always start from the top. So you want to select red. It says red. Did something happen? We had the red. Okay, we had black, red, yellow, and green. Okay. So that's that. And we are saying red icon. So the red icon is the red icon when the value is greater than 1,000. So just greater. Not greater or equals to, just greater. Change that, and then you type 1,000 there, and this is not percent. This is the number. Okay. So value is greater than 1,000. Might have to come back and check that. And the next one says yellow. So you have yellow when the number is less than or equal to 1,000. The number is less or equals to 1,000. That's right here. And greater than 500. And greater than 500. And greater than 500. Like that. And this is a number, not a percentage. So change that. Gotta come back and do that. Okay. I can see they're following the pattern. And then green icon when the number is less than or equals to 500 is less than or equals to is greater than. So this was supposed to be yellow, and then we have what? Green icon. I'm gonna change that. We got a green icon when the number is less than 500 and greater than. So this is the number. you're saying the number is greater than 250, and black icon when the number, so if you click here, it should be able to reflect that. You come in here and you say black icon when the number is less or equals to 250. So that's how you do that. Then you click OK, and then you'll see what happens to your values here. They change. Then you'll be able to see those conditions that we have applied. Okay. So remember, we did not do this. We did not select this. So we just set that the value, the cells that had the values. Okay, filter the table by the red traffic light conditional formatting icon. So we already have the filter icons here. So you do that, and you're filtering by filter by color, and you're doing only the red. Do that, and you only have the red. If you're filtering by another color, filter color, and you can do green. You only have the ones that have the green. Okay, like that. So that was G, and then answer the following question in this range based on the filtered data. Set the so what you'll do is based on the filtered data, you'll come in here and answer this question. What was the largest issue size? Okay, and how many pieces are some sort of master work? So the largest size, of course, you're gonna find it from this value here. And then how many pieces are some sort of masterwork. So that's going to come in from here. So what you need to do is you'll go through here, and remember you have filtered here by red. Okay, so based on that, you should be able to tell 2950 came from what? Okay, that one there. And then you're saying some masterwork. So masterwork means what? Anything that has some masterwork in it. Okay, so figure that out. How many pieces are not sold out? Okay, so how many pieces are not sold out? You can figure that out also, and on like that. So that's how you go about answering all those questions down here. And then you set the print area. So how do you set the print area? You highlight the area that you want to print, or set the print area into, and then you go to layout, and you have print area, and then you just click set print area. So highlight the area that you want to print, and then go to page layout, and then you have what is that? Print area, and boom, you're right there. Okay, so that is that, and then you do set the margins. So we do that either through here page layout. You can click on this pop-up window. Then you can go ahead and set your margins all the way down here. If you have to do some things on the footer, custom footer, head and footer right there, and all that information, you can set it from there. And wrap text horizontally center columns, so you can do that. All these things over here, wrapping text, and you save your file and then go ahead and submit. So that's how you can go about doing this. I'm going to post this video, and let me know if you have any comments or any input, or if you need more information. Okay.